Come today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories included inside the box of our device. So let's start. Here we got the paper case for our device, some paperwork with the QR codes here. Also we got here the, as can you see, the SIM tool. Inside this paper box we got also the warranty card and more paperwork here. Also we got here the clear silicone protected case. That's really good. And the last two accessories, that's the original charger brick, the HUAWEI supercharger, and the USB-C cable. So that's it. There are all box accessories inside the box of our HUAWEI P50 Pro. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.